Sasha here, and today I'm playing Wolfhaven, and I'm hanging out with my mate Kuto. We've been talking through chat, but we're just sending it through here. And he calls me Sasha, and it's so sweet. Okay, so okay, what is he even? I don't even want to know. It's like why? Just why? Okay, chat. No, wait. Ah, crap. I know that he. I'm good. So, I'm in my room alone, parented downstairs with my sister. Sister's probably gonna yell at, to be honest, because of her boyfriend. Yeah. Um, so you guys have been wondering and asking when the next time I'm gonna show my face. Well, probably the next video I make, because I know I'm probably gonna do a singing video and such, so. Oh, great. So, yeah. It's so cute. Wait. You have. Oh, God. Okay, I'm good. Oh, did. Okay. So, we're gonna go for the fact that my friend has a picture of me and it's so bad because pimple shows and just. It's right here. It's so bad. People call me beautiful, and I'm just like, you need some Jesus. Because they really do. Because I'm ugly, and I'll get. And usually, if people argue with me, they usually win because I just say, you know what, I give up. It's annoying. So, hold on. He's so nice and cute. And so, yeah. Um, yeah. Uh, it's just a chat between both of us. Hold on. You're gonna hear me constantly clicking. Oh, like guys, like I think that I got rid of my pimple and then it comes back and it's just like, why? I hate you. Like, can hear me, it's constantly typing like, or something like that. So guys, while we're waiting, you not on here. So guys, subscribe, hit the bell for when I post, and click that like button. I think I'm a wolf in love. Like, legit. What? No, I didn't. This makes no sense. Why would I log out? Is someone on my account or something? Like, what happened on Animal Jam? Because that was some bullshit. Wait. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay. Oh, God. So, guys, there's a word I don't think you guys should see. But whatever. Why is Wolf Haven not working? I don't know. Well, well then. Okay, so now we're gonna go back over here. I'm gonna go over here, and then we're gonna sign in. See, it's the word that everybody hates. Word about the word. Guys, he said my private chat. He's probably chatting me. Wait. Whoa. He has Animal Jam. What? What? No. Come on. Whatever, guys. This is the end of the video.